Michael, if I get my CCW, then later purchase another firearm, is it automatically legal to carry? No. You'll have to do what's called an add-on, Michael. So once you're done with the course, you'll go through the live fire qualification, that course of fire, 50 rounds for that firearm from the 10, 7, and 3. You have to have 36 hits. You'll have to do just that part with a new gun. And then I give you an add-on certificate, which you'll submit through the sheriff department, because you'll have to do an application for an add-on, and then you can add that to your permit. You'll reissue your permit with your new gun.